If your Joy-Con is moving on its own, or your character drifts without touching the stick, it's likely caused by dry buildup under the joystick or slight wear on the internal contacts. Good news, you can often fix Joy-Con drift at home without using any tools. So let's get started. Solution 1. Clean the control stick. First, let's detach your Joy-Cons from your Switch. Now by cleaning, I don't mean cleaning the outer part of the controller. You will need to clean the lower part of the Joy-Con control sticks. You see, under your control sticks, there is this area where the stick gets connected to the Joy-Con socket. In 90% cases, the Joy-Con drifts often when dust or debris gets built up in this area. So what you need to do is get a dry cotton swab or soft toothbrush and gently clean around the base of the joystick where dust collects. Tilt the stick to all sides while cleaning the edges. If you have isopropyl alcohol, then it's even better. Add some of that to a Q-tip and try to clean the area again. Do it for a while and make sure to cover all the sides. Once you are done with it, reattach your controllers and see if the drift happens again or not. Solution 2. Recalibrate the control stick. On your Switch, go to System Settings. Scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. On the right side, scroll down a little bit. Select Calibrate Control Sticks. Now select the drifting Joy-Con. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to recalibrate the analog stick. Once done, check if the drift is gone. Solution 3. Update the controller firmware. Go to System Settings again. Scroll down to Controllers and Sensors on the right side. Scroll down a bit. Select Update Controllers. Make sure the Joy-Con is connected. Let the update finish, then recheck for drift. If the drift still persists after these steps, the issue should be deep internal wear and might require a joystick replacement. But in many cases, these simple steps solve it without tools. If this helped fix your Joy-Con drift, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy Switch repair guides and tutorials.